Hi guys, dear ladies and gentlemen, my name is Igor Vasilyev, and if you're watching this video, most likely you were invited to attend our next online educational workshop about the stock market. Now, the stock market is a very interesting area, and there are so many different strategies which you can use there. Now, and still, for whatever reason, that a lot of people, they don't make money with that. And for the last decade, I have been researching that, and what I identify that it's not only the strategy important, but also who is using that particular strategy. My first education is medical psychology, psychiatrist. I'm a doctor, and I constantly learning about human mind and how we operate. And the interesting thing that some people are better when they're using one specific strategy, and other people are much better when they're using another type of strategy. And if they mix, they both going to fail. So you have to understand not only the strategy, but also understand who you are and which strategy is suitable for you. During that particular event, I'm going to share you a couple strategies and also explain you which strategy is suitable for what particular person. Now, if you're trading on stock market, you understand already that psychology is very important. If you don't trade on the market, so it's good to know about it. It's like in any other business, in any other area, you probably noticed that some person is very successful in the business. Another person in the same business with the same opportunities, for whatever reason, is not successful. Why? Sometimes it's our mindset. Sometimes it's our approach. So guys, come to this event if you want to distinguish the difference between the strategy approach and when you combine psychology and the strategy approach. Now, also during that event, I'm going to share with you information about our investment club, because a lot of people were asking me how to join your investment club and how to get this information about current trends, current industry analysis, companies, strategies, etc., etc., etc. So during that event, we're going to talk about it as well. And also, I'd like to tell you one more thing about that particular event, why it is so important. We don't run events that often. This is probably the first event during this year. And it is a very important event. Why? Because for the last 10 years, I've been talking to many traders. And majority of them were telling me, oh, Igor, you know what? If I was back in 2008, when everything was down, I would be now a millionaire because I would buy everything. This is the time. 2020, because of this coronavirus pandemic, created so many opportunities. Some stocks are beaten down. Some stocks will be beaten down in the future, in the next couple quarters. And it will create fantastic opportunities for investors, long-term investors, but also for short-term traders. So guys, if you don't want to miss opportunity which comes once in decade, so definitely you have to learn about the stock market now. It is very important not to make mistakes, because some companies will disappear from the market, and people who invested in those companies, they will lose money. So it is very important to understand how to distinguish out of 30,000 companies on the market, identify that specific company which can make money for you. So if you want to learn about it, please come to this event, and I would like to share the strategy with you. If you want to know more about this event, you can email us, but the best thing to do is to attend there and learn it right there. Of course, because it's going to be live, you can ask any question you want, and I will try to answer them in the best way. All the best, and see you in the future. Bye.